Next problem is when a complex number z equal to 2 plus iota root 3 is rotated at an angle of pi by 3 with respect to origin in clockwise direction such that its magnitude increase 3 times. Find new complex number. तो हमें ये फाइंड करना है. Now solution. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. So we are taking complex plane. Okay, so this is what origin and z is what 2 plus iota root 3. So z is what here real part is 2, imaginary part is root 3. So we can say that z lies in first quadrant. Okay, so z will be suppose here. This is what 2 plus iota root 3. Okay, now z equal to 2 plus iota root 3 is rotated at an angle of pi by 3 with respect to origin. Okay, so we want with respect to origin. So first what we will do, z and origin will join. Okay, so direction is towards z. This will come. Okay, now z equal to 2 plus iota root 3 is rotated at an angle of pi by 3 with respect to origin in clockwise direction. That means this will rotate in clockwise direction. So it will come down. It will come down with the angle pi by 3. Suppose this is coming and this angle is what pi by 3. This angle is what pi by 3. So this is what z dash. Okay, so we want z dash such that magnitude increase 3 times. Okay, magnitude increase 3 times. So this one magnitude modulus of z and this one magnitude is what modulus of z dash, and given is what magnitude increase 3 times. That means modulus of z dash should be what 3 times of modulus of z. This one is given. Okay, we want z dash. So here we can use rotation. So first method is what, while writing argument we can write rotation theorem. Second is what, directly. Okay, we want z dash. Okay, so z dash minus 0 will write in numerator. Z dash minus 0 will write numerator. Okay, and this one is given, so z minus 0 will write in denominator. Z minus 0 will write in denominator. In this side what will write, modulus of z dash minus 0 divided by modulus of z minus 0 into e power iota. Okay, now denominator is what, z minus 0, so this is denominator. Now this one we are rotating in which direction? In clockwise direction with the angle pi by 3 to get z dash. Okay, so here we are rotating in clockwise direction. So here what will write, e power iota minus pi by 3, because we are rotating in clockwise direction. So that's why here will come e power iota minus pi by 3. Okay, because denominator you have to rotate in clockwise direction with the angle pi by 3. So that's why here will come e power iota minus pi by 3. So this will come what, z dash divided by z equal to this one, modulus of z dash divided by modulus of z, modulus of z dash divided by modulus of z into this one we can add what, e power minus iota pi by 3. This will come. Okay, so from here z dash, okay, z we can take this side z. Okay, modulus of z dash divided by modulus of z. So from here we can say that modulus of z dash divided by modulus of z is what, 3. So this value is what, 3 into 3 into this one we can add what, cos pi by 3 minus iota sin pi by 3. Okay, because we know e power minus iota theta is what, cos theta minus iota sin theta. So this formula we are using here. Okay, so what will come, z dash equal to, z is what, z is 2 plus iota root 3. So 2 plus iota root 3 into 3 into cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is what, cos 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is what, 1 by 2 minus iota. Sin pi by 3 is what, root 3 by 2. Okay, so z dash is what, see from denominator we can take 2 common. So what will come, 3 by 2 in bracket 2 plus iota root 3 into 1 minus iota root 3. Okay, यहाँ पर इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. तो z dash is what, 3 by 2 in bracket. So 2 into 1 is what, 2. Iota root 3 minus iota root 3. So this will come what, minus iota square 3, and minus iota square is what, plus 3. So what will come, plus 3 plus iota root 3 multiplied with what, 1. So what will come, iota root 3. Okay, 2 multiplied with what, minus iota root 3. So what will come, minus 2 iota root 3 in bracket. So this will come out z dash equal to 3 by 2 in bracket 2 plus 3 is what, 5, and this is what, iota root 3, and this is what, minus 2 root 3 iota. So this is what, minus root 3 iota. this will come. So z dash is equal to what? 3 by 2 into 5 minus root 3 iota. So new position what? This one. Okay, so z dash magnitude is what? 3 times the modulus of z, and this your z dash.